All right, hey, what's going on, everybody? Going up this nice big furry pitch pine. Johnny's pulling down the rope on that end. We're gonna get a base tie. Got a crotch up there, pretty high out there. It's just past this limb right here, this big one here. So yeah, gonna be climbing on this dragonfly rope by Teufelberger. Got the double lanyard set up. Possibly gonna switch over into that friction saver, I'm not sure yet. Climbing with the 194. I got my spar anchors right there ready to go. Got a little bandolier here. Set up a redirect if needed, anything else. And I have my knee ascender as well. So I drape it over my shoulder like this, so it's draped over my shoulder there, right there. Okay, then I attach it here to my boot. All right, so stick around. Gonna get up here pretty soon. So when I was down there, Johnny's like, man, I got in a really good crotch. And I'm like, for real? It's like, yeah, pretty good. Pretty doggone good. Whew. Whew. Hey, yo, we got a broken limb up here. We have another cracked one. I know we have 1, 2 broken limbs. Yeah, bro, this tree is ready for failure. I don't know, man. That mean lean, extremely heavy tree. Eh? Esta. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. It's green. There's no dieback on the branch. It looks like it's doing all right, man. It's even growing new pine cones. Yeah, I think we're gonna come back to take it down. Yeah, I think that's probably gonna solidify it. Oh, Simon. Whew. Yeah, it could be sapsuckers though. the bird también could be it's an infestation, bro. It's like a mixture of things. Sapsucker, bro. I forget if it's in a line, if the holes are in a line, it's the sapsucker, but if they're like spread out like randomly, it's the pine beetle, the pine borer beetle. Yeah, they call them sapsuckers. Horizontal, yeah. Yeah, exactly, yep. Yeah, remember the other day I was telling you, okay, the sapsuckers, what they do is they come, they make their little hole, and then they trap bugs from the sap that the tree excretes. Yeah, oh no. Damn it. Ya no salió el sol and it's about to come down. It's about to go down soon, bro. Joe be giving you that look, that funny ass looky face. So we took a picture of it. I mean, it's split, bro. I'll show it to you. Yeah. No, yeah, bro. It's a big top. Yeah. Acá arriba. Mira. It's this limb right here. So yeah, it weighs a lot, bro. It's heavy. It's a big top. And yeah, it was part of the main top, the actual main part of the stem. The most vertical, tallest part of the tree. Yeah. It failed. Oh yeah, bro, you signed me up way out here. Yeah, you'll see in the video. Yeah, bro, you got a good, yeah, you got me good out here. I mean, you caught a bunch of other branches on the backside. I guess the one thing you could do to prevent that is just pull the ball back up and fish it through so it's not hooking or hugging any other branches, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, bro, it was good. It was a safe spot. I climbed on it all the way up here, bro. Yeah, nah, yeah. I climbed on it too, bro. I would climb on that shit all day. Hey, so we were about to prune this pitch pine here, but as you guys saw up there was that big top that split. It's basically the main top of the tree. And it looks like it might have had like a co-dominant union there. Not sure really, but it's split there, and it kind of gave me the impression of a co-dominant situation. So anyways, we tied off the branch for insurance purposes, and then they're gonna work with the neighbor to try to get it taken down, because you see that's on the other side of the fence. And I don't think these neighbors are too fond of the client here taking down their tree. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know, got something out of it. I did use the DRT or the Rope Runner Pro in an MRS system, so that was a lot of fun. And yeah, keep climbing safe, y'all. And until next time, peace out.